Hello class, this is Mr. Locio, and today we are going to talk about the simple present, the first part, the second part, 3.1, 3.2. Okay, let's start. Pay attention, please. This is extremely important for you and your exams. Okay, so how do we form the basic meaning of the simple present tense? It says she walks. She walks. Okay, attention to the S. On the first person, we have a singular form. I walk, plural, we walk. The plural form of I is we, obviously. On the second person, we have you walk in singular and you walk in plural. Okay? Remember that you, in this case, is tú, and plural means ustedes. Okay? So, on the third person, it's different. Because she, he, it, we had to add the letter S. She walks, he walks, it walks. And the plural form is they. They walk. Okay? Yeah, so we have first, second, and third person. On the third person, he, she, it, or she, he, it, we add S in affirmative. Continue. Now, here we have the days of the week. And it says, I eat lunch every afternoon. Max drives to work every day. We get up every morning. Okay. Now, let's go back. We get up every morning. And then here we have, I eat lunch every afternoon. Max drives to work every day. We get up every morning. Kyle calls Mimi every weekend. If you notice, it drives S because it's he, Max. S because it's Kyle, she calls. And weekend obviously refers to Saturday and Sunday. Okay? So, all these activities are usual activities. That means they are habits. So, we use the simple present tense for habits or usual activities. Okay? Next. Let's practice. We watch or we watches. What do you say? Yes, we watch. Next. He watch or he watches. Obviously, he watches television every day. Next. We eat lunch at 12 or we eat lunch at 12. Definitely, we eat lunch. Continue. Hada take a walk in the morning or takes a walk in the morning? Yes, takes a walk because Hada is she. Okay, and take the S. Let's continue. My friend ride her horse every day or rides her horse every day? Obviously, rides her horse because my friend is, in this case, he or she. Okay? What else? Frequency adverbs. Always, usually, often, sometimes, seldom, rarely, and never. Now, take a look at this example. They always drink tea with lunch. Always drink tea with lunch. Always means all the time. Okay? Now, let's look at this. 100% is represented by always. Mary always eats lunch at school. Always, 100%. From 90 to 99%, usually. Mary usually eats lunch at school. From 75 to 90%, we use often. Josh often eats hamburgers. From 25 to 75%, we use sometimes. Tia sometimes eats lunch at school. From 5 to 10%, we use seldom. Tia seldom eats lunch at school. From 1 to 10%, we use rarely. Eva rarely washes her car. Okay, and obviously 0%, it's never. Jay never goes to the zoo. Okay, remember that these are frequency adverbs. Okay, they indicate how many times we do these activities. Okay, always, usually, often, sometimes, seldom, rarely, and never. And remember the percentages. Okay, now what else? Now let's practice. Now look at this calendar. From Sunday to Saturday, that means every day. What do we use? Always, usually, often, sometimes, seldom, rarely, or never. It's very simple. Always, because it's every day. Okay? Now, Hara watches TV only one day. What is? What of this? Yes, it's seldom. Seldom. All right, seldom watches TV. Next, look, cooks dinner. Now, it's almost every day except on Friday. So what is the correct frequency adverb? Yes. Usually cooks dinner. Then, Mossad. Now, check this. On Sunday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Saturday. What is the correct alternative? Sometimes. Okay. Well, yeah, that is all. This is other frequency expressions. For example, we can say once a week. Once means una vez. She goes to the library once a week. Okay? What other? It's once a week. It's only one. She goes to the library once a week. Only once. All right. What is next? Twice a week. Twice means 2 times. Twice a week. And 5 times a week. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 times a week. So we can express frequency using once, only 1, twice, only 2, or 3, 4, 5, etc. times. Okay? I go to school 5 times a week. I go to the movies twice a month. I go to the beach once a year. How many times a day, a month, a week, or a year? Once, twice, 5 times, 10 times, etc. Examples. I feed my dog every morning. I ride my horse every week. I wash my car every year. Every. Correct every weeks? No, because every is singular. We cannot say every weeks. It's singular. Every year, every week, every morning. Is not correct. How often is the question? How often means ¿con qué frecuencia? ¿Cuántas veces? ¿Con qué frecuencia? How often do you drink coffee? Every morning. Okay? So you always, usually, often, sometimes, seldom, rarely, or never drink coffee. So when we say every day, what is the frequency? Always, definitely, because it's every day. May doesn't drink coffee. Doesn't drink coffee. I know she, what? If she doesn't drink coffee, obviously she never drinks coffee. She never drinks coffee. Doesn't drink coffee, never drinks coffee. And we have a question. Does Dr. Abbott take a walk every day? No, he walks 5 or 6 days a week. Here they are expressing a frequency. All right? 5 or 6 times a week. Yes, he, 5 or 6, he what? Often takes a walk. Often takes a walk. Okay? Yep. So that is all for today. Thank you very much for watching the video, and see you on Wednesday. Yes, next Wednesday. Bye-bye.